Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're shrinking down to explore one of the most underrated life forms on Earth. What if we were algae? Tiny, green, and often ignored, algae might just be the most important organisms you've never thought about. And if you were one, your world would be radically different. As algae, you'd live in water, oceans, ponds, even inside melting glaciers. Some algae even live in polar bear fur. Your body wouldn't have bones or nerves. You'd be a single cell or maybe a loose colony of cells floating with the currents, absorbing sunlight like a living solar panel. Forget food, you'd photosynthesize just like plants, turning sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into sugar. That means you'd eat sunlight. You'd feel energy from the sun and literally turn it into your body fuel. Every sunrise would be a feast. You'd be ancient. Algae were some of the first life forms on Earth, dating back over 3.5 billion years. Long before trees, dinosaurs, or fish, your microscopic ancestors were quietly shaping the planet's atmosphere. In fact, algae are responsible for producing up to 70% of the oxygen we breathe today. And speaking of oxygen, without you, humans wouldn't exist. You'd be a silent architect of life. Every breath we take is powered by algae floating in the ocean, quietly pumping out oxygen. You might be small, but you'd literally be keeping the world alive. Your colony might be invisible or gigantic. Some algae form massive blooms visible from space, stretching hundreds of kilometers. Others grow as slippery green mats on rocks, or red tides that glow in the dark with eerie blue bioluminescence. As algae, you'd be a shapeshifter. Some algae grow long filaments, others form tiny spheres, and some even have whip-like tails to swim. You might look like slime, foam, or lace, function over fashion, but in a weirdly beautiful way. Algae are survivors. You'd thrive in extreme environments, salty lagoons, acidic pools, icy lakes, even in outer space. In 2008, scientists exposed algae to the vacuum of space, and it lived. You might be the most adaptable life form ever. You'd also be powerful. Algae can be used to create biofuels, food, fertilizers, plastics, and even medicines. If humanity tapped into your full potential, algae could help feed the world and replace fossil fuels. You wouldn't just survive, you'd save the planet. Reproduction? Fast and frequent. You'd split in half, release spores, or merge with other cells in strange microscopic dances. Whole generations would pass in hours. You could evolve at speeds no animal could match. But life isn't all easy. Algae are sensitive to pollution, climate change, and chemical runoff. If the world gets too warm or acidic, you could explode into toxic blooms, or die off entirely, throwing ecosystems into chaos. As algae, your fate would be deeply tied to Earth's health. So what if you were algae? You'd be ancient, vital, and strangely elegant. A microscopic force of life, floating through oceans, making oxygen and feeding the world. From the base of the food chain to the edge of space, algae are the unsung heroes of Earth. If this tiny transformation blew your mind, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more wildly weird what-if scenarios.